God bless you. Elijah Bamidele Luholo is my name. God woke me up this morning, reminding me of the revelation He has been giving to me for the past how many years. This message is directly to the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The First Lady, Her Excellency Remi Tinubu. This message is directly to you. The Lord said, what Nigerians are suffering now, what Nigeria is suffering now, is as a result of what happened in Egypt when they refused the Israelites going to their promised land. I gave this prophecy about 6 years ago. And I said that God said, if the Israelites are not allowed to go to their promised land, that in the coming years, Nigeria will face a lot of tribulation. I gave this prophecy about 5-6 years ago. It's still on our YouTube page. The Lord reminded me of it again last night. He said, tell the president, sending the First Lady to plead with the husband to allow the Biafra to go. As long as Nigeria are still holding the Biafra, what is coming is bigger than what we are seeing now. The country now is in tribulation. Everyone is running. Terrorism everywhere. Bandits every corner. Bandits. I gave a warning concerning this prophecy many years ago. All of you said I was a fake prophet. First Lady of Nigeria, sit your husband down. Plead with your husband. Tell him to release the Israelites of Nigeria to go to their promised land. What happened in Egypt? Terrible things are about to happen in Nigeria. If Nnamdi Kanu is not released, release Nnamdi Kanu now. Because what I am telling you now is not going to be too far from now. Very, very soon. Very, very soon. Everybody is saying, President Bola Tinubu is not good. He cannot come back. He's a bad president. Of a truth, the regime of President Bola Tinubu is still one of the worst Nigeria have ever experienced. The worst that Nigeria have ever experienced. But is it because of insecurity in Nigeria? There have been insecurity in Nigeria for many years before President Bola Tinubu came in. There will still be more if the Biafra are not allowed to go. Allow the Israelites to go to their promised land. Allow the Israelites to go to their promised land. The Lord said, as long as you people are still holding Nnamdi Kanu, you are holding the Biafra from going, Nigeria will face fire. Nigeria will feel the heat. Now, if Nnamdi Kanu and the Biafra are released today, within 24 hours, bandits will leave Nigeria. Don't forget that the insecurity in Nigeria has been politicalized. It has been politicalized for many years. It did not just start today. Some people are using it for business, some people are using it for politics. But if the Biafra is released today, if Nnamdi Kanu is released today, Nigeria will experience peace like never before. I am giving this warning to the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Release Nnamdi Kanu now and let peace reign in Nigeria. Because what is coming ahead is going to be brutal. This is not only going to be bandits. I spoke about this before. I saw foreigners teaming up to launch out an attack against Nigeria. I am speaking as a prophet of God. I'm not an Igbo man. I'm in Nigeria. Let the Biafra go so that there will be peace in Nigeria. If you say no, I'll fold my hand. I'm going to watch all of you now. Mr. President, I beg of you. First Lady, please talk to the President. Release Nnamdi Kanu. Very, very quick, as fast as possible. Because what is ahead is dangerous. I pray that the hand of God will rest upon Nigeria. I pray that Nnamdi Kanu and the Biafra will be released to go, so there will be peace in Nigeria. And I pray for you that is going to watch and abuse me in this video, that God will bless you. Mr. President, do the needful. Do the needful. Do the needful. Some of you that are abusing me today just came into social media. I have been speaking since 2015. Concerning Biafra, I have been speaking for over 6-7 years. I've been speaking about Biafra. I did not just start it today. I pray that our leader will listen to the voice of God. May God bless you. May God keep our dear country, Nigeria. The insecurity going on in the country will not come near you. Bandits will not see you, will not see your household. In Jesus' name. God bless you.
Lekwa Nigeria ma dosa ya Chineke nna de ngosi. Onye ọbụla na-ekpe ekpere ka Nigeria wee wuru ofu nna nke bridge ndị dị etu a wee la ha n'iyi. Chineke nna kiwe biko da kiwe kpọọ ha ọkụ. Kpọọ ha ọkụ kpọ ezinụlọ ha ọkụ.